Welcome to Shashank Finance Hub, where we break down complex financial concepts and explore business ideas for aspiring entrepreneurs. Today, we will discuss the top 5 business ideas for beginners. Whether you are just starting out or thinking to start self employment, these ideas are beginner friendly, require minimal investment, and have significant potential for growth. Stay tuned till the end because I will share some actionable tips to help you start today. Freelance service. Let's begin with freelancing, a great entry point to entrepreneurship. In freelancing, you provide service based on your skills to clients. Popular areas include content writing, blogs, articles, and copyright for business, graphic design, creating logos, social media posts, and branding materials, web development, building and maintaining websites, social media management, handling Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn accounts for business. Why freelancing works for beginners? All you need is a laptop, internet connection, and your skill set. You decide your working hours and choose clients. As you gain experience, you can increase your rates or even start your own agency. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn are great to find your first clients. Focus on creating strong portfolio to stand out. Dropshipping. Second on our list is dropshipping, an e-commerce model where you sell products without holding inventory. Here's how it works. You set up an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Partner with suppliers who ship products directly to customers on your behalf. When a customer places an order, you purchase the item from the supplier at a lower cost and keep the profit. Why dropshipping is ideal for beginners? You don't need to stock or manage products. You can start with as little as few $100 for your store setup and marketing. Test and sell trending products without upfront investment in bulk purchases. Challenges to consider. High competition in popular niches, margins can be slim without efficient marketing. Focus on a niche market and use social media ads to drive traffic to your store. Tools like Oberlo can simplify product sourcing. Online coaching or tutoring. Are you good at explaining concepts? Online coaching or tutoring could be the perfect business for you. What to teach? Academic subjects, soft skills, fitness, music, or even languages. Use platforms like Zoom or Google Meet to conduct sessions. Websites like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable allow you to create and sell courses. Why this is a great business idea? Teach what you already know. Use free tools and resources initially. Once your course is created, it can generate income without constant effort. Start with free content on YouTube or Instagram to attract an audience before selling premium courses. Home-based food business. If you enjoy cooking or baking, a home-based food business can be both profitable and fulfilling. Popular options include baked goods like cakes, cookies, or bread, homemade snacks or traditional dishes, meal prep service for busy professionals. You can start from your kitchen with minimal investment. There is always a market for delicious homemade food. Customize menus based on customer preference. Steps to get started. Research food safety laws in your area. Test recipes and pricing. Use social media to promote your offerings. Collaborate with local events or markets to get your name out there and gather customer feedback. Content creation. Finally, we have content creation, which is one of the fastest growing opportunities in today's digital world. YouTube videos, podcasts, blogs, or social media posts. Once you have a sustainable audience, you can earn through sponsorships, ads, affiliate marketing, and merchandise. Social media and blogging tools are free to use. Combine ad revenue, sponsorship, and product sales. Share your passion, whether it's gaming, finance, travel, or cooking. Be consistent with your uploads. Provide value, educate, entertain, or inspire your audience. Interact with your followers to build a community. A beginner finance creator shares daily tips on saving money on Instagram. Within 6 months, they grow to 10,000 followers and start earning through brand collaborations. Begin with minimal investment to test your idea before scaling. Read books, watch tutorials, or join courses to improve your skills. Surround yourself with like-minded entrepreneurs for support and ideas. Use social media, email, or word of mouth to promote your business. Always keep an eye on your profits and expenses. That wraps up the top 5 business ideas for beginners. To recap, we discussed freelancing, dropshipping, online coaching, a home-based food business, and content creation. Each of these ideas is accessible, scalable, and tailored for individuals who are just starting out. So, which business idea resonates most with you? Let me know in the comments or messages. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shashank Finance Hub for more valuable insights. Until next time, keep exploring and keep hustling.